Hello everyone, Colin here with Local Enterprise Broadcasting doing a product review. This is going to go on the YZ426. Wasn't expecting to do a video this evening because I ordered this off of Amazon not even, Sunday? And it's Tuesday. And I ordered it Sunday evening. So pretty impressive. This came in pretty much less than 60 hours, I would say, from the point when it said it was shipped. So very, very impressed. Interesting fact, it said it was, I ordered it from, this was advertised as Magura USA, but it says made in Germany. It doesn't really bother me too much. I drive a German car, a diesel German car. So yeah, I don't trust their gas burners, but so knowing that this is German engineering, I don't know how I feel about it. I'll reserve my thoughts for after it's installed and done, a little bit of work and whatnot, and see how I like it. But the reviews so far have been really good. I have not opened this yet, so we're going to find out just how, oops, well, there we go. Didn't mean for that to happen. All right, let's get a look in here. Okay, cool. So first off, we got our master cylinder and clutch lever assembly. You'll notice here I have a hot start lever on here. So if you're running a carbureted model, folks, that still has a hot start or a decompression lever, if it's an older Yamaha, this is the model number you want, and it'll say that. So you want to go ahead and save that, write it down, pause it, go ahead. So here we're just going to look and see what we got. Not too bad. I'll turn this around, make it a little easier to see in here. Okay. So the packaging so far looks great. Let's go ahead and have a look, see? Okay. Comes up nice and easy. Lifts up out of the way. All right. Now, there we go. So here's the bag of shims and the adapters. I'm not sure if these will be needed. We're going to find out. And then I'm assuming that's for the perch, because one of the things I liked about this system, yeah, that would be it right there. The perch is actually hinged, so that has some advantages. Number one, ease of installation. Number two, you can leave it tight enough but to where it stays put, but loose enough to where if it takes an impact, it'll move up and down easily, and less likely you bend a lever. I've been told that there are certain aftermarket levers you want to get for these things, because these things barely fit in any application. This is kind of a universal kit, so we'll see if we have any issues with this. Stay tuned, folks. The next video is going to be an install video and a review, and everything that I've seen from other people's install videos, it's pretty easy. It actually takes longer to get your old clutch off than to put this one on and route. Basically, the hardest thing is getting this routed properly. And then there's a rubber stopper in here, folks. Be mindful of that. It's only there for shipping purposes. So once you get this whole thing set up, take this back cap off, pull that rubber stopper out of there. That way the actuator can go back and forth here, because all it does is stop the piston and keep this extended for shipping purposes. So so far, I'll give this a big thumbs up. Yes, it's made in Germany. Even though it says USA on the website, be mindful of that. So I don't mind that it's a German company. This comes pre-bled according to everything that I've read about it. I did not get any additional oil with it that I can see, so I'll have to order some of that. It's a special type of mineral oil. Apparently it's brand specific, so I'm not going to mess around with that. I'm going to go ahead and get exactly what's supposed to go in it. And this is cool because I'm still running a decomp lever. I have a hot start lever on the other side of my handlebars, which if you've seen some of my other videos and seen some of the mods I've done to the 426, You'll see that and know why I did it. But yeah, I'll give this a big thumbs up. So I'm not, oh, word to the wise, I'm not sponsored by Magura at all. They did not send this to me at a discounted price. This is just a good old-fashioned honest review. I know most of the shit you see on YouTube, you're gonna pretty much get sponsored content. Now, that doesn't mean that the products aren't good, but I don't know. It just, to me, it makes people more inclined to not be as forthright and truthful about their genuine feelings about the product that they're reviewing. But so far here, everything looks as advertised, so I'm pretty happy. Next video, we'll show you how to install it on the 426. If you're following this channel because you like my 426 videos, stay tuned. I'll have that put together and edited shortly. And yeah, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, share the video if you know somebody that's building their 426. And then, yeah, sub if you're new to the channel. Anyways, thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your new year. See ya.